Friends, how do you feel if I ask you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine your life without your hands? What will be your reaction? Or if I ask you to imagine you don't have your legs, how you will react? Yes, I know. What will be your reaction? We all will say the same. How we can imagine our life without our hands or legs? How we will able to do our day-to-day activities? We can't even imagine our life without it. It will be destroyed completely. But here is a guy who doesn't have both of his hands as well as legs by birth. But whatever he has achieved in his life without limbs, we can't even imagine with our fully functional body. He is a painter, writer, he does swimming, water rafting, he plays golf, and more than that, he is one of the most popular motivational speaker in the world. Yes, my dear friends, this is the story of Nick Vujicic, born on December 4th, 1982 in Melbourne, Australia. There is an incident related to his birth also, which he has mentioned in his autobiography, Life Without Limits, as his mother was so afraid after seeing him without limbs. She was in a state of shock and could not imagine what has happened. She was so much scared that she has not even held him after his birth. But after the consolations from her husband and doctor that may God wished it in this way, she was ready to hold Nick in her hands. Tetra Amelia syndrome. Yes, it is the name of the disease because of which there was no development in his hands and legs, and so he took birth without limbs. Childhood was very struggling. How to raise and take care of this kind of a special child is itself a challenging task. When Nick started growing and seeing all other children of his age is doing different activities, playing, then he used to ask to his parents, why me? Why all this happened to me? What is my fault? He never got a chance to study in a normal school. And whenever he was going to school, his friends were laughing on him, and few of them would be surprised as well, because in their life they have seen someone without legs or hands, but not someone without limbs. Nick's parents were very supportive and always encouraged him to do all activities and move forward. But Nick was very disturbed by the comments of his friends, and multiple times he thought to suicide. He was thinking, what is the use of this kind of life? One time he has taken the pills also in his hand for suicide, but then immediately he thought, how would my younger brother and parent would cry when they will see my dead body? And then immediately he refused to suicide. He thought, maybe my friends don't like me, but for my family, I am priceless. Then Nick decided it's God planned to create me like this, and if it is God planned, then definitely he would have planned something great for me. I will not waste my life like this. Then he started doing all the activities which a normal person does in his life. Nick has changed his complete attitude, and now he makes joke of his own deformity instead of feeling sorry about it. He laughed on his deformed fingers of his deformed legs and called them chicken drumstick. And with the help of those two deformed fingers, he writes email very fast and do swimming also. Nick's parents were always worried about his future. Like, he will not be able to get any job, then how he will survive? He will not be married, then how his life would be? When he was 17 years old, his mother showed him an article in a newspaper which was about a handicapped person who has achieved so much in his life and also established a business empire. After reading that article, Nick also thought he will not waste his precious life like that, and he decided to do something so that whenever anybody in this world will be frustrated in his life, at least he can see me and get inspired and then move forward in life. At the same time, he started his NGO, Life Without Limits. In the year 2009, he even acted in a short film, The Butterfly Circus, which won the Best Short Film Award, and Nick won the Best Actor Award. In the year 2010, he has published his autobiography, Life Without Limits, which was a bestseller. In 2012, Nick got married, and now he is the proud father of 4 children. Today, Nick is one of the most popular motivational speakers in the world who has traveled more than 60 countries and inspired people. Now, Nick lives in America and runs his second company, Attitude is Altitude, and helps people. Friends, Nick's statements are very inspiring and thought-provoking. Have a look on it. One day, someone asked to Nick, "Do you feel sometimes that you are disabled?" Then he laughed and said, "What is the meaning of disability? Disabled means someone who cannot do something. But as I am able to do everything in my life, then how? I am disabled." That's his attitude. Nick states, "Each day of my life is more productive than an average person's day." He enjoys his life a lot and ever say, "If somebody comes to me and offer a lot of money and even his hands and legs will be back in his body, he will not even think for a second and refuse the offer, because whatever I am able to achieve without my limbs, maybe I would not have, even if I have both of my legs and arms." Nick says, "I never feel sorry about my life because it will hurt the Almighty who made me so wonderful." Friends, with so many challenges, Nick has achieved a lot and leading a very fulfilling life. All these things are possible only because of his attitude towards his life. With his right attitude, he is able to do so many things which we don't do with our fully functional body. Further, Nick also says, "Believe me, to lose the hope is more dangerous than losing hands and legs. To lose the hope is more dangerous than losing hands and legs, because if we have hope, we can get anything in our life." Whatever this life situation we are having, whatever the challenges we are facing in our life, sometimes even it seems like all is over. At that moment, also, if we have hope, we can do anything, my dear friends. We can turn around the situation, and Nick is a living example of that. Isn't it? Friends, if you like this video and inspired from the life story of Nick Vujicic, then I recommend you to read his autobiography, Life Without Limits, which is an amazing read. Link of which I have shared in the description. You can go and check. Hope you like the video, and if you like, please share this with your family and friends to help them to lead a fantabulous life, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.